Hey guys, in today's video, we're going over how to remake this flyer that was made by First Love Church. We're breaking it down using Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get into it.
I create a new file, name it as church flyer, make the width as 1280, height as 1280, and make the resolution 300 with the artboard ticked and press on create. I first change the background to some color around black. I drag in the picture and put it on the left side so I can see what I'm working with. And then I take the text tool and start typing. Bring in the rulers to make the texture adjustment so it's similar to what is on the left side. I'm gonna make the box, make sure the fill is set to yellow, stroke is off. Draw the box around the text like that. I adjust the text up top on the box and put the box behind the main text, which is the gospel, so it gives the same effect as the picture on the left side. I drag and drop the texture, which is like a paper that I got from Envato Elements. Then I drag and drop in the pictures as well. Then I adjust them properly. I put on a layer mask so that I can use the gradient tool to make the fade effects from the bottom going up. And then I take the brush tool to brush over the sides so that I can bring in the faces on each picture. I go ahead to add a white color overlay to the paper texture, set it to difference. I also bring in this gradient overlay as well and set the blending mode to soft light. Then I duplicated it and also set the second gradient to vivid light. I went ahead to group all the backgrounds together and grouped all the text together, and this is just to help with the organization of my workspace. I go ahead to group the bottom text together, and this will help me to add one color overlay to all of them all together. The drop shadow is to help the gospel text a bit much better because of the lights that are behind the text. I added a hue saturation to it and clipped it on the gradient overlay so that I could adjust the colors easily without having to do any much editing to it as well. I went ahead to add an outer glow to the gospel text so that it stands out as you see on the left side slightly with a little bluish glow around it. If you want to export, you go on File, then go on Export, and you can change the format to PNG or any, and then press on Export.
If you have any flyers or posters that you want me to remake and break down using Photoshop, you can contact me on my Gmail or Instagram and I'll get back to you. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the videos that are uploaded on this channel.